Ready to dive into the world of the Turkish van? Let's make a splash! This majestic breed hails from the Van region of eastern Turkey. Their long, thick coats are soft as silk and feature a unique pattern of white with colored patches on their head, tail, and ears. And those eyes. They can be blue, copper, or even odd-eyed, one blue, one copper. But here's the kicker. Turkish vans love water. You might catch them playing in water bowls, bathtubs, or even ponds. They're not just pretty faces. These cats are playful and energetic, always up for mischief. Super smart. They're the perfect pet for anyone who wants an active and fun-loving companion. So, whether you're a cat enthusiast or just love unique pets, the Turkish van is a breed you don't want to miss. Want to dive deeper into the world of Turkish vans? Stick around for more.